There is one thing stopping you from becoming better. Not your past, not your family, not your environment. It's your habits. Your private habits. They shape you. Today I'll show how to break any bad habit and build powerful Islamic good habits that bring barakah, discipline, and success. 1. Why habits control you. Bad habits grow when repeated daily. The Prophet said, actions are judged by intentions. Repeated actions become identity. Bad habits stick because quick pleasure comes. They feel easy. You repeat unconsciously. You replace nothing. Your mission today, not just stopping, but replacing habits with stronger ones. 2. Remove triggers. Every bad habit has a trigger. Open phone, scroll. Feel lonely, music. Feel bored, wasting time. Islam teaches prevention. Leave what does not benefit. Remove your triggers. Unfollow bad accounts. Delete harmful apps. Change environment now. Block temptations early. When triggers vanish, habits grow weak. 3. Replace bad habits. You cannot stop a habit by force alone. You must replace the habit strongly. Islamic formula. Step 1. Tawbah. Repent sincerely. Ask Allah's help. Step 2. Replace it. Stop music, Quran. Stop scrolling, reading. Stop wasting productivity. Stop swearing, dhikr. Step 3. Consistency. Small repeated actions. The Prophet said, beloved deeds are consistent deeds, even if small. 4. Build identity. You don't rise to your goals. You fall down to your habits. Stop saying, I want. Start saying, I'm becoming. Identity shapes action. Say this daily. I control desires. I value time. I protect myself. Actions follow identity. 5. Routine is protection. Strong Muslims rely on routine, not temporary motivation. Build simple routines. Morning. Fajr prayer. Quran 10 minutes. Plan your day. Daytime. Stay productive. Avoid emptiness. Night. Istighfar daily. Read 3 calls. Make protection dua. Routine becomes shield. Day gains barakah. Mind becomes focused. Iman grows stronger. Ask Allah. No habit is too big for Allah to remove. Make this dua. Oh Allah, help me leave sins and make obedience easy for me. Consistent dua changes habits, changes heart, changes life. Your future hides inside your habits. Small steps today change tomorrow greatly. If you want Allah to change your situation, change your habits. The journey begins with one decision. Make it now. Subscribe for more Islamic motivation. May Allah bless your journey always.